Welcome to the phone transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to capture the northern lights on Android step by step. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Step 1. First things first, open the camera app on your Android device. It's quick and easy, and you're already one step closer to capturing those stunning lights. Step 2. Once you're in the camera app, tap the bottom center of your screen. This will bring up additional options, giving you more control over your shot. Step 3. Look for a symbol that looks like a half moon, and when it's lit up in yellow, tap on it. This is the night mode, perfect for low light conditions like the northern lights. Step 4. Next, you'll want to set the timer. This will help avoid any shakes when you press the capture button, ensuring a crisp, clear shot of the lights. Step 5. Finally, tap the capture button and let your camera work its magic. Keep your phone steady as it captures the northern lights, and you'll have a beautiful shot in no time. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.